On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Ooh, look at that. Got my Kipa card, or Kipa. I don't even know how you pronounce that. Flat slide performance. Choke is on the left side, sitting on a bike. Idle adjustments on the left side, sitting on a bike. Mixture is on the left side, sitting on a bike. Even comes with some pilots and main jets. This has the power valve. I never really messed much with those. I know you got to have a little bit smaller main because the power valve adds more fuel as the RPMs are sucked in. Let's see how this thing works. Also got my quarter turn Nibbi throttle and my Nibbi cable. Had that for a while. Took it up from Florida. So let's get her done. These are all vent tubes. Atmospheric vent tubes. I don't want to have to pull all that plastic off, so I believe I can get to it just leaning the bike. That vet sounds good, don't it? Putting a video together for it. Oh, come on. How'd you get in here? How'd you end up in the garage? You just run across the floor. All that rain. We had 8 inches of rain 2 nights ago. Cam sounds good. Jets that came in that carburetor were already the smallest, and it also had the smallest pilot in there. Whatever it come with, I kept the stock ones in there. They're the smallest they had. Start from there. This is awful tight to start with. I don't know if that's going to fit up in there. Show you the difference here. Look how nice and polished that Kipa carb is. This is a round slide, this is a flat slide, or semi-flat. About the same height, so I don't think I'm going to be able to put that quarter turn throttle. Still a good carburetor. Save it. That needle is second from the bottom groove. Go like this. Then this goes up with the hollow down, the bigger hollow, and then try to get this in here like that. There it is. That's right. Might have just enough cable. Even with the 150, it's not an easy bike to work on. Very tight.
That's what she said. Yeah.
With the 250, it ain't much different. Because the jug is just a little bit more diameter and a little taller, so it doesn't really make much difference. So now, let's see if we can get this puppy in there. She is tight. I might take this off. Stick that fuel hose on now. Put a little bit of grease on here. It's like the hole's off just a tad. Might have to make this bottom hole a hair bigger. I feel like it's lining up. I'm gonna have to drill that hole out just a tad bigger. When this is going in, it's kind of like forcing itself. Sucks you gotta do it, but a little bit. Like 1 millimeter or a 64th of an inch. It's always something. Alright, that's the size. So we're gonna go up one size. Make sure to none of that gets in your motor. Or here. That'll do it. And it's not that sloppy.
Thanks!
Definitely make it better. Geez, I think if I did just on one side, it would still be tight. Definitely gotta go both sides. Yeah, if I did just that one hole, it wouldn't have been enough. The ports line up good. Just these holes are off a tiny, tiny bit. That's the tight one here too. Not quite the angle. See if I can force it and tighten it. I'm gonna flex it a little. Feels like I got it. I think it's all together. Hope I don't have to pull this out too many times. Alright, let's open her up. See if it leaks. Tubes are going to be a pain, I can see it. Just go where they want. Well, now all the controls are on the other side now. So the choke is on this side, the idle's on this side. The throttle cable might still be a little tight. It's still hard to reach. Wow. Not warmed up yet, but feels pretty good. Mixture's a little bit rich. Look at it. That might be good. Think so. Sounds good, let's do a ride. So you didn't have to do nothing. All the jets were right, putting it on. The driveway got washed out a bit. I'm gonna have to fire up that excavator and back bleed. Well, it sounds pretty good. Feels pretty good. I think it's better. Of course, this is the CG250. I did an engine swap. The carburetor probably be too big for a 150. Looks dangerous up there. I'll go this way. Partially off throttle. It's got a little tiny bit of a hiccup. Might be able to get rid of that with the mixture. Might have went too lean. Idling good though. See, when you just go off idle just a little bit, it does a little whoop. Woo! That water's flowing pretty good. Maybe see if we can get up on the power lines. See how that looks. Haven't been up there in over a year, I think. Road closed. Oh, poopy. Well, let's see what happened. Sure is a washout. Definitely's got good fifth gear pull. She washed out there a bit. Wow. It's probably closed just where I gotta try to turn. The water's flowing. I know, I should have went out when damage was done yesterday morning, right? Bit too muddy. And posted. Yeah, I definitely think this carburetor performs better than the other one. And all the controls are on the left side so you can get to them. The only thing is that boot isn't quite angled enough, but you can squeeze a carburetor in it. And those mounting screws are a tad bit too narrow or too close together. Just had to drill them out, as you saw. I don't know if Kipa has a flange mounted carburetor. I guess I should have looked for that first, huh? See, it's got that, when you hit the gas, it's got a little bit of a lean spot. Oh. And there's the problem. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's good. Guess I gotta adjust that mixer sooner than later. There's another way up there, but it's quite a long ways. Where else can we go? See Billy. Maybe we'll see if we can get him to take his Grom out. Billy, I come up here because you don't like me.
On the game last morning, but when it came on.
I didn't know. You never said anything.
Yeah, why is that thing so big?
What?
It's huge.
Same size as the new Grom. I just put a new carburetor. Let's see if I close it a little bit. I can't get in there with that. Yeah, I put a new carburetor on it.
Well, how's it go?
Good. Better.
A few moments later.
I see you. I know. I know. You can't go for a ride. Alright, Billy.
You videoing me, Bill?
Yeah,
This thing is really slow. I just want you to put that video.
I know.
Oh, it goes good.
Faster than your Grom?
Yeah. You just gotta fix that little dead spot.
I know. When I get home, I'll adjust it.
Alright, keep it on one wheel.
See you in Half-Life.
Wanna get me eat?
I let Billy take it for a ride. I should have recorded it. You want some, Infinity? Better run. Running good. What's with these people that drive fast and slow, fast and slow? Yeah, there we go, see? Yeah, speed up when the cop's coming. Good idea. Slow down again. Idiot driver. Holy wow. Go home and park it. Tighten that mirror up. I would have liked to put that quarter turn throttle, but this cable's not long enough for that. And that cable's not going to fit because it's got that metal bend on it. Oh well. Save that for another bite. I definitely think this carburetor gave it some more power. Just gotta clean up that off idle hesitation, which I'm pretty sure the mixture will take that out. Yeah, I don't think it revved up that high with the other carburetor. Should have kept going. I could have hit 70 even going up this slight hill. I think it'll do probably 75 now on a totally flat laying down. Told you it's washed out. Meow meow. Adjust this carburetor a little bit. A little better. I could live with that. The Condor.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.